Your eyesight is crucial for daily life, especially in a world filled with screens and small text, so it's important to take steps to maintain and improve your vision. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables, along with essential vitamins A, C, and E, and minerals like copper and zinc can significantly benefit eye health. Incorporating antioxidants found in leafy greens and colorful vegetables, as well as omega-3 fatty acids from fish and nuts, help protect against conditions like macular degeneration. Regular eye exercises, sufficient rest, and scheduled breaks from screen time are vital for relaxing your eyes. Additionally, routine eye exams are essential to detect any issues early, and corrective lenses or refractive surgeries can provide solutions for vision impairments. Prioritizing eye care will help you enjoy clear vision for years to come.